Hello traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. So guys, I am going to give a monthly review that how expert advisor and how indicator has performed till today. Okay, so this will be the monthly review. So first of all, I am going to show you from the account history that this is the live account, this is not a demo account, and let me show you from the account history that till today, from 2nd of June when this account was started, we are 837.13 up. So almost you can say that more than 76% growth has already taken on this account, and we have to double this account, and we have to catch up to $1,000 profit, and we will double this account. Okay, so now look at this is the real account, 11523445441 Exness real. And guys, the good thing about this account is this, that no high lot is used on this account. So you can see a variety of the small lot size. You can see 0.10, 0.10. So initially I set up the expert advisor to 0.10, but if you talk about the open trades, now they are with 0.05, and this is one of my manual trade from the indicator. Now you can see that on the Bitcoin I have a buy signal. I already profited yesterday from it. This is the 4-hour chart, and then this is still running, and I have a buy signal here, and these are the trades that are taken by the expert advisor. And our expert advisor is no martingale, it does not double the lot size, and the expert advisor has a potential to give 40 to 45% monthly return. Now guys, let me show you here from 3rd of June this account was started, and you can see that the gradual profits, because I'm going to talk about the whole month, 3.368, 4.203 so this is the scalping expert advisor. The expert advisor was running very beautifully, 26, 5.10, 6.70. So it automatically closes your trades and it automatically opens your trade, and we are using this expert advisor now on 4 major currency pairs: Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, USD CAD, and AUD USD. Now you can see the maximum trades are taken by the expert advisor with 0.10 lot size. So initially I was using the 0.10. Okay, some manual trades as well, and then you can see 0.10. The expert advisor was running very fine, and later on then I changed my lot size even to 0.07, because the profit margin is same even if you are using 0.10 and even if you are using 0.07, because this is the scalping expert advisor. It is going to take a profit in $3 to $5, so something like this. Okay, so you can see then I took some manual trades. These are my manual trades from the indicator that you can see with 0.02 lot size, 0.03, because 0.02 and 0.03 is not recommended for the expert advisor. The minimum lot size that you can use with the expert advisor is 0.05 on $1,000 account. Okay, some trades are taken even with 0.20 is the highest lot that I have used for one or two trades might be. You can see that there was 0.20 that was closed on loss. Otherwise, the all trades are with this smaller lot size, and this account is gradually increased, and we have worked on a very good basis that it should grow with the smaller account size. Okay, so for example, look at here, we have a buy with 0.05 on gold and caught $14, and look, with 0.02 just lot size we have caught $12. So we just work on the minimum risk strategy because we were not risking so much, so that's why we have worked in this scenario. Okay, now you can see on Bitcoin, look, I have taken 0.02 on you can see 28th. I'm talking about the yesterday it was 28th of June, and just look at here with the indicator with 0.02 I have caught 35.93, and normally this is the result that the subscribers are catching with 0.20 lot size, 0.10 lot size, and you can see that how minimum risk I have taken, and I have taken a very good profit. And with 0.02 again on buy I have taken 7.54. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, still I have a buy signal. Okay, so that's why I have taken the buy trades yesterday, because I'm using the 4-hour chart. Okay, now look at here 0.10 with $12, and like this I'm very using. And now these are the trades with 0.05. These are completely closed by the expert advisor, because the expert advisor is running on that account. Let me show you that it's running on Euro USD 15-minute chart. It's running on USD CAD 15-minute chart. It's running on Great Britain Pound USD 15-minute chart and AUD USD 15-minute chart, and you can see it's working here. Okay. Moreover, the all trades that are taken were the manual. Now look at here on the gold, we have a previous buy signal, and then the signal was changed sell and the market is down. And then if you look at the other signals, they are very good, like sell position was advised on Great Britain pound JPY, long ride came and the Great Britain pound JPY is down and it does not repaint. Like the buy signal was on Great Britain pound AUD. Look at here, very beautiful that Great Britain pound AUD has already gone up, even with the, you can see the beauty on Bitcoin USD that it's making the upward pattern. So this is how you can use this indicator. And when you see the dots are very straight like this, then it means no trade. And when the dots are trending into the downward direction or they are going into the upward direction like this, then you can take a trade. So guys, this is the whole story, and I have shown you from the account history. This is the live account, and these are the trades that are in action at the moment. So they will also be closed by the expert advisor, and one is the manual trade from my side. So guys, this is the low risk trading that we have done during this month, and we have taken a challenge to grow a small account with the help of indicator and with the expert advisor, and the result is in front of you from a live account because we have taken the very low risk trading. So guys, this is all from 200forexpips.com. Moreover guys, if you're willing to get these trading indicators, if you are willing to get this expert advisor, then you can contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. You can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. All the information is provided in the description of this video below. So hopefully guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.